Hi. Can I get the dipped strawberry cheesecake blizzard?
Dipped strawberry cheesecake blizzard. What size?
Mini. And do you have a pup cup?
Yeah, it's the price of a kid's cone. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Anything else for you?
That's it.
That'll be $6.94 at the window.
Okay, thank you.
How you feel?
Hi.
$6.94.
Wait. Thank you. Here's yours. Sit. Sit down. This is day 2 of trying all the blizzard treats on the Dairy King menu, and I got the strawberry dipped cheesecake in the size medium. This is how it looks. Cheers. It tastes pretty similar to the one I got yesterday, but it has more strawberry flavor and has bits of chocolate in it.